Welcome back, future chatbot creators and AI developers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to build your very first AI-powered chatbot. If you've ever wondered how to create conversational AI that can understand and respond like a human, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to bring your chatbot to life, from the basics to advanced features. Whether you're a beginner or have some coding experience, this guide will help you build conversations that matter. Let's dive in and start building your own digital assistant. Chatbots have come a long way, evolving from simple rule-based systems to intelligent conversational partners powered by large language models. With today's technology, you can create chatbots that understand context, maintain conversation flow, and provide helpful responses, all with just a few lines of code. Imagine having your own digital assistant that can chat, help, and engage users in meaningful conversations. This transformation has opened up endless possibilities for businesses, education, and personal productivity. Let's explore how these advancements make chatbots more human-like than ever before. To build a chatbot, it's important to understand its core architecture. At the heart of every chatbot are several key components. The user interface, where users type messages. Message processing, which handles input and prepares it for AI. LLM integration, serving as the brain that generates responses. Context management, which maintains conversation history. And response delivery, which sends answers back to the user. Each part plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth and intelligent interactions. By understanding these building blocks, you'll be better equipped to design a chatbot that feels natural and responsive. There are several types of chatbots you might encounter. Rule-based chatbots use simple if-then logic and are considered old school. Retrieval-based chatbots select from predefined responses, making them more flexible but still limited. The most advanced are generative chatbots, which create original responses using AI. These generative models, powered by large language models, can understand context, generate creative and contextual replies, and handle unexpected questions gracefully. In this guide, we'll focus on building a generative chatbot, unlocking the full potential of conversational AI. Large language model, LLM, powered chatbots bring a new level of intelligence to conversations. They understand natural language nuances, generate creative and contextual responses, and handle unexpected questions with ease. Unlike traditional bots, LLMs can learn and adapt from conversation patterns, making interactions feel more human. The real magic is their ability to use the entire conversation history to generate relevant and meaningful replies. This makes them ideal for customer support, education, and any scenario where dynamic, engaging conversations are needed. Large language models, or LLMs, are the engines behind today's most advanced chatbots. They're trained on massive datasets and can generate human-like responses by analyzing the entire conversation context. This means your chatbot can remember previous messages, understand user intent, and provide answers that make sense in the flow of conversation. LLMs are what make modern chatbots truly intelligent and capable of engaging users in meaningful dialogue. When it comes to picking an LLM platform, you have several great options. OpenAI's GPT models, like GPT-3, 5 Turbo, and GPT-4, are popular for their cost-effectiveness, speed, and robust documentation. If you prefer open source, models like Llama 2, Vicuna, and Alpaca offer flexibility and can run locally or in the cloud. Other cloud options include Anthropic Claude, Google Palm, and Azure OpenAI, each with unique strengths. For beginners, OpenAI is often the best starting point due to its ease of use and reliable performance. OpenAI's GPT-3, 5 Turbo is known for being cost-effective and fast, making it ideal for most beginner projects. GPT-4, on the other hand, offers more advanced reasoning and capabilities, suitable for complex applications. Both models are easy to integrate via API, and OpenAI provides excellent documentation and support. With a generous free tier, you can experiment and build prototypes without worrying about costs. These features make OpenAI's GPT models a top choice for anyone starting their chatbot journey. If you prefer open-source solutions, there are several excellent LLMs to consider. Llama 2, developed by Meta, is a robust open-source model. Vicuna is a community fine-tuned version, while Alpaca, from Stanford, is instruction-tuned for better guidance. These models can be run locally or via cloud services, giving you more control over your chatbot's deployment and customization. Open-source LLMs are perfect for developers who want flexibility and the ability to experiment with different architectures. Beyond OpenAI and open-source models, there are other cloud-based LLM options worth exploring. Anthropic Claude is known for its safety-focused design, making it ideal for sensitive applications. Google's Palm offers Google's expertise in AI, while Azure OpenAI provides enterprise-grade solutions with robust security and scalability. Each platform has its own strengths, so consider your project's needs when choosing the right LLM provider. Before you start coding, you'll need to set up your development environment. Begin by installing the required Python packages, such as OpenAI and Python.env. These tools will help you interact with the OpenAI API and manage your API keys securely. Creating a .env file for your API key ensures your credentials are kept safe and out of your codebase. With these steps, you'll have a secure and ready-to-use environment for building your chatbot. To get started, open your terminal and run the following command: pip install OpenAI python.env. This will install the OpenAI library for API access and python.env for managing environment variables. These packages are essential for building and running your chatbot. Once installed, you'll be ready to write code that connects to powerful language models and keeps your API keys safe. After installing the packages, create a .env file to store your API key securely. In your Python code, use the .env library to load the key and set it for the OpenAI API. This approach keeps your credentials private and ensures your chatbot can access the language model safely. Always remember to keep your API key confidential and never share it publicly. Now, let's write a basic chat function. This function sends a user prompt to the OpenAI API and returns the chatbot's response. By specifying the model, message history, and parameters like max, tokens, and temperature, you control how the chatbot replies. Testing this function with a simple greeting ensures your setup works and your chatbot is ready to start chatting. Before building more features, it's important to test your setup. Use the chat function to send a simple message, like, "Hello, how are you?" and print the response. If you get a reply from the chatbot, your environment is correctly configured. This quick test ensures you're ready to move on to building more advanced chatbot features. With your environment ready, it's time to build a simple chatbot class. This class manages conversation history, sets the assistant's personality, and handles user messages. By storing messages and using the OpenAI API, your chatbot can maintain context and provide relevant responses. This foundational structure is the starting point for more advanced features. To make your chatbot interactive, implement a chat loop. This loop continuously prompts the user for input, sends messages to the chatbot, and prints the assistant's replies. Users can type quit, exit, or bye to end the conversation. This simple loop brings your chatbot to life, allowing real-time conversations and testing. As conversations grow, managing memory becomes important. Add a method to keep only the most recent messages in the conversation history. This ensures your chatbot remains efficient and doesn't exceed API limits. By retaining the system message and recent exchanges, you maintain context without overwhelming the model. Make your chatbot more engaging by adding personality options. Define different system messages for friendly, professional, funny, or technical assistance. This allows your chatbot to adapt its tone and style to different users or scenarios, making conversations more enjoyable and tailored. To further enhance your chatbot, implement different response styles. Allow users to choose between concise, detailed, or simple replies. By adjusting the prompt instructions, your chatbot can provide answers that match the user's preferences, making interactions more flexible and user-friendly. Robust error handling is essential for a smooth user experience. Add methods to catch common errors, such as rate limits or API connection issues. Provide user-friendly messages when something goes wrong, ensuring your chatbot remains helpful even in unexpected situations. This approach builds trust and reliability. Take your chatbot to the next level with context awareness. Implement a method to summarize long conversations, focusing on key points and important information. By using the first and last few messages, your chatbot can generate a concise summary, helping users recall previous discussions and maintain continuity. Enable your chatbot to handle complex, multi-turn tasks by breaking them into clear steps. Use prompts that ask the chatbot to plan and return tasks as a numbered list. This makes it easier for users to follow along and for the chatbot to execute each step methodically, improving task management and user satisfaction. Add sentiment analysis to your chatbot's toolkit. By analyzing the tone of user messages, your chatbot can respond more empathetically. Use prompts that ask the model to classify text as positive, negative, or neutral. This feature helps your chatbot adapt its responses and provide a more personalized experience. To make your chatbot accessible to more users, build a simple web interface using Streamlit. This Python framework lets you create interactive web apps with minimal code. Display conversation history, accept user input, and show chatbot responses in real time. A web interface makes your chatbot more user-friendly and widely available. Once your chatbot is ready, it's time to deploy it. You have several hosting options. Streamlit Cloud offers free hosting for Streamlit apps. Python Anywhere is great for simple Python web apps, and platforms like Heroku, AWS, GCP, or Azure provide scalable cloud solutions. Choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. As your chatbot grows, it's important to manage API costs. Estimate expenses by calculating the number of tokens used in messages. For example, OpenAI charges roughly $0.002 per 1,000 tokens. By monitoring usage, you can optimize your chatbot's performance and stay within budget. Follow best practices to ensure your chatbot is reliable and user-friendly. Implement rate limiting to avoid API overload, handle errors gracefully, and moderate content to filter inappropriate messages. Protect user privacy by not storing sensitive information, and set clear boundaries about your chatbot's capabilities. These practices build trust and deliver a better user experience. Before launching, thoroughly test your chatbot with a variety of sample messages. Create test cases that cover greetings, help requests, jokes, and technical explanations. By evaluating responses, you can identify areas for improvement and ensure your chatbot delivers consistent, high-quality interactions. Your chatbot journey doesn't end here. Consider adding advanced features like a voice interface, database integration, multi-language support, user authentication, or file upload and processing. These enhancements can make your chatbot even more powerful and versatile, opening up new possibilities for user engagement and functionality. Congratulations! You've just built your first AI-powered chatbot. This is only the beginning now. You can expand your bot with more features, customize it for specific domains, or integrate it into larger applications. Remember, the best chatbots solve real problems and provide genuine value to users. Keep experimenting, learning, and improving your chatbot to make it even better. As you continue your chatbot development journey, remember, every great conversation starts with a simple hello. Your chatbot is now ready to respond, engage, and help users in meaningful ways. Stay curious, keep building, and enjoy the process of creating amazing chat experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.